Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making grilled zucchini. This is a delicious and fantastic way to serve zucchini. If you get it from the grocery store or fresh from your garden, if you're just trying to use it up, this is a great way to do that. We're going to make a marinade for it and then we're going to put it on the grill. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we're going to need about 1 pound of fresh zucchini. We're also going to need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley. We're going to start by working on the marinade. Go with our olive oil, our lemon juice, our garlic, all of our herbs, and our salt and pepper. And we're going to whisk this up and set it aside real quick while we work on the zucchini. Now there's several different ways that you can cut the zucchini. You can cut it into coins. I'm going to cut it into, I want to say like French fries. We're going to start by cutting off our ends. Just like that. I think that's too long, so we're going to go right in half. Set that aside. Split it in half, lay them flat. We're just going to cut nice little strips out of this. The marinade is done, our zucchini is cut. Now we're just going to take it, go right inside of our marinade, give this a toss till it's all evenly coated. We're going to wrap it and we're going to place it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. If you can let it go for up to 2 hours, that's going to be fantastic. We're going to fire up the grill in the process and then I'll see you outside. The grill is nice and hot. We're going to place our zucchini down. We're going to grill these for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Alright, our zucchini is looking fantastic. It's done. I'm going to throw this on a plate and we're going to head inside and plate it up. Alright, and to plate this, we're going to keep it simple. We're going to pile our grilled zucchini from corner to corner of our plate. Now you can garnish this with a fresh lemon or Parmesan cheese. I like cheese, so I'm going to go with Parmesan cheese. Just like that. Looks and smells fantastic. Let's get a taste. Alright, let's dig in. Cut one of these so that way we're not overcrowding our mouth. Cut perfectly with a fork. That is so good. The marinade really penetrated the zucchini. It's got a nice garlic flavor. You get the herbs, get a nice smokiness from the grill, and a nice little saltiness from the Parmesan cheese. This is a fantastic recipe to use up the zucchinis from your garden. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel. I'll drop a link for that down in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.